Which of the following is a part of the statistical test of sequences? An optimal alignment between two chosen sequences is obtained at the end. B. Unrelated sequences of the same length are then generated through a randomization process. C. Unrelated sequences of the different length are then generated through a randomization process. D. Related sequences of the same length are then generated through a randomization process. The correct answer is unrelated sequences of the same length are then generated through a randomization process. Many studies have demonstrated that the distribution of similarity scores assumes a peculiar shape that resembles a highly skewed normal distribution with a long tail on one side. The distribution matches the A. Gumbel elective value distribution, B. Gumbel extreme void distribution, C. Gumbel end value distribution, D. Gumbel extreme value distribution. The correct answer is Gumbel extreme value distribution. Which of the following is untrue about the PRSS program? A. It stands for probability of random shuffles. B. It is a web-based program that can be used to evaluate the statistical significance of DNA or protein sequence alignment. C. It first aligns two sequences using the Needleman-Wunsch algorithm and calculates the score. D. It holds one sequence in its original form and randomizes the order of residues in the other sequence. The correct answer is it first aligns two sequences using the Needleman-Wunsch algorithm and calculates the score. By calculating alignment scores of a large number of sequence pairs, a distribution model of the sequence scores can be derived. A. Related randomized, B. Unrelated randomized, C. Unrelated unrandomized, D. Related unrandomized. The correct answer is unrelated randomized. What is used to generate parameters for the extreme distribution? A. The pool of alignment scores from the shuffled sequences. B. A single score of a shuffled sequence. C. The pool of alignment scores from the unshuffled sequences. D. The basic optimal score computed at the beginning of the test. The correct answer is the pool of alignment scores from the shuffled sequences. In the statistical test randomization process in which one of the two given sequences is randomly shuffled. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. It is not known whether the Gumbel distribution applies equally well to gapped alignments. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The truly statistically significant sequence alignment will be able to provide evidence of homology between the sequences involved. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The major disadvantage of the PRSS program is that it doesn't allow partial shuffling. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. If the score is located in the extreme margin of the distribution, that means that the alignment between the two sequences is due to random chance and is thus considered A. Unlikely significant, B. Unlikely insignificant, C. Unlikely insignificant, D. Very likely significant. The correct answer is unlikely significant.